Hello everyone, how are you? I'm Miss Grace back again with an activity for you related with the story, the Sneezy Bear story we're at. Do you remember when the bear spotted a nice silver salmon? Yes, of course, you remember. And he went, achoo, and he couldn't get a salmon. Now, we're going to help him and get a salmon for him. But first, we have to have a fishing rod, and we're going to do a fishing rod. All you need for this activity, 3 balloon sticks. You get some tape and tape them. So, get some string and you tie the string from here and the magnet at the end of the string. We've got the fishing rod. That's right. Now, go and get some recycled paper or cardboard and you're going to draw a fish. And we're going to have the salmon. That's right. Give it some color it, and cut all around, and you've got the fish. Go and get some paper clips, and we're going to clip the paper clips there, around the fish. That's right, and we've got the salmon ready. We're going to get a nice plump salmon for the bear. That's right, we've got the first one. That's right. It's there. This is for you, bear. Another one. Another one. We've got the second one there. That's right. Come on, come on, come on, come on. That's right. And we've got the third one. I hope you enjoyed this activity and I hope that you'll try this at home. Play with your schoolmates, your brothers and sisters, and whoever would like to join in. Until then, see you next time. Stay safe. Bye-bye.